Hello everyone, here's the next part of making a game with Unity where we show an end screen to display whether the player has won or lost the game. To do this, I first create a panel for my canvas to display this game over message. I will center this panel and use a dark background color. Then I right click the panel and add a text. As a placeholder I use U1. Then I also center this and set the color to white. To access these UI objects in the HUD script, I add two member variables. A rect transform for the panel and another one of type text to display the game over message. In the editor, I assign the panel and the text to the public member variables of the script. After that, I deactivate the panel by default. Okay, now let's get back to scripting. In the game controller script, I add a property that indicates whether the game was lost or won. If the health points are 0, I return that the game is lost. Otherwise, this property called isWon will return true. Now when the game is over, I will fire an event. For this, I use an event handler, a C# delegate, and a method that calls this event if it is bound in another class. I will call this method whenever the mGameOver variable is set to true. In the HUD script, I bind the delegate in the start method to display my panel in the event handler. To do this, I get the assigned game object of the panel and then I call setActive. Sorry, I have to use the panel variable here, not the text. Okay, and then I set the text of the text field depending on whether the game was lost or won. Then I switch to the crosshair script and also bind the event here. And in the GameOver handler, I deactivate the crosshair. Again, I'm using the setActive method for this time with the value false as parameter. Now let's have a look at both conditions. First I will lose the game. Okay, the health points are 0 now and it is displayed that I lost the game. And then I'll try a little harder and defend myself to win the game. And here's the correct message. Great guys, that's it for the tutorial about the Gameover end screen. I hope you liked it and it was useful. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and supporting me on my Patreon is highly appreciated because it will help me a lot with the development of my tutorials. Thanks for watching this and see you soon.